waiting for the perfect time and the perfect conditions to do something is like waiting to live, right? Because most of us think like this. I will get to me when. And I'm talking about you, mom, right? You're a busy mom. You have kids, you have other responsibilities to take care of. And it is very easy to put self-care last, right? Because we all think I will get to me when this happens, or I'll get to me when that happens. Very easy to do that, right? I have the same similar issue. It's just that I've trained myself to have become better at knowing that I need to take care of myself first. That's the only difference now, right? I am no different from you. So instead of now thinking I'll get to me when, I know that I need to prioritize and schedule my own care, my own self care. So if you like what I have to share with you today, then do check out the ebook that I have, which comes along with the membership that I'm launching end of this month. It's called Peaceful Mind, Healthy Body, A Journey. And you can use the link to check it out. It's anindita.com/membership, anindita.com/membership. So in this session today, I wanted to share with you that we do not need to wait for perfect to arrive, right? We do not need to wait for the perfect conditions and the perfect time to start making changes or to start doing something. And I'm talking particularly about self-care today. Because the thing is that waiting for perfect will, so it's like saying that I'll wait for my to-do list to get over completely, right? I will wait for my chores to get done. And you know how difficult it is to even get chores done for the day, let alone for the week or the month, or it's a never ending thing, right? It's something that we have to deal with every single day. Or it's like thinking, I'll get to this when my children are at school, have grown up, gotten married, gone away to college, right? Or I have taken care of all my responsibilities as a mother, as a daughter, as a wife, as a family member, as a friend, right? It's like for waiting for things to be perfect. So it's waiting for perfect. But does perfect really ever arrive, right? It hasn't really arrived for me, and I don't think it ever will. I have to just make do with what I have, and I share with you a story in a bit. Yeah, the time is now. Absolutely, Rohit. The time is now. So whatever you need to get done, you have to do it now. You have to do it today, right? Depending on what it is, of course. And you have to accept that a beautifully flawed and fulfilling life is right here at your fingertips. Daily, yes, progress over perfection. Absolutely, absolutely right. Progress over perfection. It's about taking some action, some steps every day so that you make progress, right? Not waiting to reach some ideal situation or some ideal goals. Goals are good. We work towards it, but it's more about progress, right? So life is inherently messy. Are you ready to dig in, right? Are you ready to get messy? Are you ready to get dirty and get into and start living your life, right? So that's the thing. So it's flawed, but it's beautiful at the same time. And the story that I wanted to share with you is my own today. And for those of you who know me, or for those of you who don't know me, I'm a certified health coach, and I have had a coaching practice in Mumbai for the past 4 years now. And I have been thinking of creating a podcast for a while now, right? I love podcasts. I listen to them wherever I can, on many different topics, particularly health, of course. And I know that it can help a lot of people because I have a lot to share, right? And I see it with my own clients. When I coach clients in my one-on-one practice, I work a lot on mindfulness, self-compassion, gratitude, self-awareness, right? And I see the progress that they make. And I want to share some of that with, many of you out there who are not my clients. And I know that podcast is one of the ways of doing that. However, I've been putting it off for more than 9 to 10 months now. till the beginning of this year when COVID hit, right? And that's when I decided not to wait for the perfect time to come any longer, because maybe it will never will. I mustered up enough courage to launch my podcast. So that's something, and it has been received very well, right? I find it very fulfilling. So it's not about me, of course, it's about the message that I'm able to share, to communicate, and the way that I can now serve people like you, right? So through my podcast, which is called Nourish Heal Connect. The second thing that I wanted to share, and that is something that is even closer to my heart, is the launch of my membership program, Peaceful Mind, Healthy Body, for busy moms like you. So this is an online membership program that again is something that I have been thinking of launching, so that I can reach out to many more women who are stressed or overwhelmed or dealing with a lot of whether it's sense of self-worth, self-esteem, self-love, a lot of things that we are not really equipped to deal with, right? We've not really been taught emotional resiliency or emotional intelligence. So I have been toying with this idea of launching, but again, the right time and the right moment never seemed to arrive, right? I was not really confident that I could put it together, even though I had done a lot of research over the last year on this. Finally, I decided to put it out there, and I've decided to launch it. I've done a pre-launch, and now the second part is coming up end of this month, right? So that's when you stop waiting for the perfect moment to arrive and you actually start doing something. You actually start doing something that you believe in. So what I've shared with you today is about not waiting to be perfect, right? Not waiting for the right moment and the right perfect time or condition to come before you can do something. Because then you're actually waiting to live, right? It's not about getting everything sorted, so getting everything off your to-do list or getting all your chores done, or taking care of everything or children before you get to yourself, right? It's not about that. It's about acknowledging that life is messy inherently. It is flawed, right? But it's beautiful at the same time. So can you find the courage and can you take out the time to put yourself first when you need to? So, because at the end of the day, if not now, then when, right? So that's all I had to share with you today. If you liked this video, and if you would like to know more about this particular topic and how I incorporate it into the content that is inside of my membership, as well as the ebook that comes across, which lays out this 5-part journey of transformation for you inside the membership. You have access to this ebook when you register for this. You can check out this in the link provided below, and it's at aninditaroonta.com/membership, aninditaroonta.com/membership. So I will see you here again on Friday at 12.